Hey guys, we received this kid Santa Claus costume for children's for test and try. These are the Christmas Santa for the kids. This is the large size. So let me just open and show like what included. So this have a beard, wig, pants, gloves, coat, hat, adjustable belt, and boot covers. So this actually have a complete set. You can see the hat. So this is a really comfortable and soft material. As you can see, nice in color, the coat. So this is nice for this coming Christmas that your kids can dress up. You can also use it for the Halloween or the costume or any other place if you want to. And this is have this zipper, so it's easy to wear. So the accessory kits, as I mentioned, have the wig, shoe cover, belt, and everything. So just trying to show gloves, belt. So this is just for the show. So boot covers and stuff for occasional wear. So the material is good, soft and comfortable. These are like the beard and stuff. So I will just show like how this looks up. So after wearing, this is an 11-year-old kid, fits really well, and you can see all the gloves and the coat, hat, wig, mustaches, beard. So great and the good fit for a kid Santa.